Hi everyone, welcome to another GCSE physics video by SMARTPATHTUTORING. This is about infrared radiation and temperature. Every object absorbs and emits infrared radiation. All objects are continuously emitting and absorbing infrared radiation. Infrared radiation is emitted from the surface of an object. This happens all the time. An object that is hotter than its surrounding emits more infrared radiation than it absorbs. As a result, it cools down. An object that is cooler than its surroundings absorbs more infrared radiation than it emits. As a result, it warms up. Objects at the same temperature as their surroundings emit and absorb infrared radiation at the same rate. Their temperature stays constant. Some surfaces are much better at absorbing and emitting infrared radiation than others. For example, matte black surfaces are the best absorbers and best emitters of infrared radiation. Light-colored or shiny surfaces are poor absorbers and poor emitters of infrared radiation. You can investigate emission with a Leslie cube. A Leslie cube is a hollow metal cube with different surface finishes on each side. For example, matte black, dull black, white, and shiny. It is used to compare how different surfaces emit infrared radiation. Method: pour hot water into the Leslie cube. Seal the cube with a lid to reduce heat loss. Wait a short time so that all four faces reach the same temperature. Hold an infrared detector the same distance from each face. Measure the infrared radiation emitted from each surface. Record the results in a table and repeat the measurements and calculate a mean if necessary. Results: you should find that the matte black surface emits the most infrared radiation. The shiny surface emits the least infrared radiation. Fair test: to make the experiment fair, keep the distance between the detector and each face the same. Ensure all faces are at the same temperature. Use the same infrared detector throughout. Accuracy: repeat the readings and calculate a mean value to improve reliability. Key facts to remember: infrared radiation. All objects emit infrared radiation. All objects absorb infrared radiation. The amount emitted depends on the object's temperature. Surface properties: matte black surfaces are the best emitters of infrared radiation and the best absorbers of infrared radiation. Light-colored and shiny surfaces are poor emitters, poor absorbers, and good reflectors of infrared radiation. Leslie cube practical: fill the cube with hot water. Wait until all sides reach the same temperature. Measure the infrared radiation from each side using an IR detector. Keep the detector the same distance from each face. Matte black gives the highest reading. Shiny gives the lowest reading. Exam tips: all objects emit and absorb infrared radiation continuously. If an object is hotter than its surroundings, it loses thermal energy because it emits more than it absorbs. If an object is cooler than its surroundings, it gains thermal energy because it absorbs more IR than it emits. Matte black surfaces are the best absorbers and emitters of infrared radiation. Shiny, light-colored surfaces are poor absorbers and poor emitters making them useful for reducing heat loss. For example, shiny foil insulation. Thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel.